A healthy set of bones provides structure to the body, protects the internal organs, and anchors the muscles. To help your body naturally repair and restore the integrity of your bones, it is essential to get enough calcium, vitamin D, and other bone-supportive nutrients through your diet. Here are 8 foods that can make your bones stronger. Number 1. Organic milk. Calcium is an essential element for strong bones, and the best source of calcium is milk. Milk also contains potassium, magnesium, riboflavin, phosphorus, and vitamins D and B12. All these nutrients are important for healthy bones. It is recommended that adults drink 2 glasses of milk daily. Those who do not like the taste of milk can blend it into a milkshake or smoothie. Number 2. Yogurt. Yogurt contains a good amount of vitamins D, A, and B12, calcium, potassium, magnesium, riboflavin, phosphorus, and protein. So include at least a cup of yogurt in your daily diet. Those who are health conscious can choose fat-free plain yogurt daily. Greek yogurt, however, may not be as healthy for your bones. Number 3. Spinach. Spinach is another easily available vegetable that is high in calcium content. Plus, its vitamin K content helps retain calcium in the bone matrix. This dark green leafy vegetable can be grilled, boiled, or eaten raw. Along with spinach, Chinese cabbage, kale, broccoli, and cauliflower will help you enjoy better bone health. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon is a type of fatty fish that contains a wide range of bone-boosting nutrients, including calcium, protein, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. Regular consumption of salmon helps improve bone density and bone accumulation. At the same time, salmon is good for heart health. Number 5. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds contain various nutrients for bone health such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamins K and D. It is suggested that you consume at least 1/4 cup of these crunchy seeds in roasted or dried form daily. You can sprinkle some sesame seeds on cooked vegetables, toss them into your favorite salad, and add them to stir-fry vegetables. Number 6. White beans. White beans are another superfood for healthy bones. This legume contains a good amount of calcium, protein, fiber, and minerals including magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. Depending on the type of white beans, 1 cup of cooked beans can provide a good amount of calcium to promote healthy, strong bones. You can include white beans in soups, salads, stews, and baked vegetables. Number 7. Cheese. Cheese is loaded with a good amount of calcium along with vitamins D, A, and B12, potassium, magnesium, riboflavin, phosphorus, and protein. All of these nutrients are needed for strong bones. Cheese is also an excellent source of calcium for people who are lactose intolerant. Just a small amount of cheese eaten regularly will support your bone health. Number 8. Tofu. Tofu is a type of soy food that contains a high amount of calcium. Tofu also contains plant-based chemicals which are important to help promote healthy and strong bones. It is a popular option for people who are lactose intolerant and cannot eat many types of dairy products. 1/2 cup of tofu can meet about 20% of your daily recommended intake of calcium.